Question: how do you take a square picture on your phone?
What you do is you go to your cell you go to your cell phone's phone app, the phone screen that you take a photo of, and somewhere on one of your buttons, and can't really make a picture of my screen right now, but you're going to see a way to change the resolution. And one of the options will be 1:1, 1:1. You're going to see a 1:1 mode. And if you don't know how to do that, just Google your cell phone model, cell phone name and model, and then square photos, and probably Google will show you how to do that. So you change your phone to 1:1. That is a ratio, 1:1. If you think of a movie screen, it's more like 9:6. So like 9 units wide and only 6 tall, because that's how you get that wide screen that's so nice for movies. But on a photograph, you want 1:1. You want it to be 1200 by 1200 dots per inch. And I promise you, your phone has a square mode. Very rarely does a phone not. Yours will. Most digital cameras have that mode as well. The number one biggest selling tip is to join Ryan's group, Treasure Hunting Profits. You can sign up for 1 month and you're going to learn how to source, and you're going to learn how to source things that no one else looks for real fast in this group. Watch the video that is embedded in this link. If you just watch this video and never sign up, you are going to learn on how to find things, how to source things that are money makers. And we don't like 33% ROIs in this group. Our group, we pretty much spend pennies to make $5 and $10 bills. This is the most advanced eBay group ever. That includes all reselling eBay groups. There's more actionable money-making content on how to source and how to sell than any other group on the planet. That's the value that you're getting.